I love that food has memory. I know that there's a lot of people out there that could go to the best restaurant and eat there, but their mom's food is always gonna taste best. If you cook something for somebody, it might just be another recipe for you, but to them it can transport them to when they were a little kid and their mom or their grandma were cooking for them. I also love that it can be passed down. The same recipe can be generational, can be passed down to people, and that can be a tradition for that family. I think food is a great way of communicating without words.